Today we're going to make a mob spawner. First we're going to open the client-side DOM and create a new class called B mobs. It's going to be a type GUI control and description simple mobs. We're going to add a parent of B window. Add and save. Then we're going to open script, make it an empty script, and we can close up the DOM. Next we'll open and borrow some functions that are already made from the exit window class. We're going to use the start function and the toggle. Also the mouse click method and the exit class function. Next we will change B exit window to B mobs in all the locations. Then we will change the exit to make mobs. And that will be used in several places. Next, we will remove the call for center window and change our mouse click function. We will add is create. Next, we will add a method called get mount box. Here we will return a value similar to one above with find GUI control. And this one, we will use a me for the base node, and mount will be the name of our input box. Then we will create another method which gets that value, get amount, which will return an integer. Here we will get me, naming this class. Then we'll call the other method get amount box, and it will return the value as the integer. Then we will compile and submit this script. In our exit window, we will add in is option, and this will call our mob script. and we will call the toggle make mobs. Then, once this has been saved in the other file, we can compile and submit this script. Next, we will make a server-side function, and we're looking for script npc class methods. Here we will add a function untrusted as it's called from client side. Function called create mobs. It will have an input value amount. This will be an integer value. This will be our actual creating the mobs, so it will be a small loop based on the amount of mobs we put to it. Make a PC mob, and that will equal our NPC. Create a simple character. The type will be, we're going to make one type that we have. They call it monkey talks, and they won't persist in this area. So we'll put false for persist. Next we will set their position with update position, and the position will be based on a vector from our character. To call that, use our character there, we will add count as a node ref of class, the player account. That will equal system remote client. Then our character as a node ref class player character, which will equal the account. Get my char. Now our char get position should be able to work. This will set all the mobs at the character's position so they're not halfway across the area. Then we can compile. Compile and submit this script. Back in our mobs class script, we can now fill this in with a call to the server, _NPC class methods, and we will call create mobs, given input value of amount. Amount will come from me get amount from our function below. Then we can compile and submit the script. Next we will work on the actual GUI. We're going to use mobs. So we'll go to the GUI editor. Click Create. Add in our B mobs. This will inherit from our B window. Change our class to mobs. We'll make our base window appear. We will set the size to 200 by 100. We will then add a button that we made. We'll change the name to Create. Set the position at 60-60. And change our label. Text value to Create. Then we select the domain. We will add a label. Change the name to Out and set the text value to Out. Set the position to 10. And color to bright red. And we add a drop shadow by switching 0 to 1. Next, we will add a text input box. We will change the name to Amount. Set the position to 100. We'll make the default state here transparent. We'll set the text default color as red. And we will set the value to 4. We can now save this and exit. Refresh to get our new GUI in there. And now we can test it. We're going to Control G to get our GUIs back. Then hit Escape to get the main window. And clicking the options will bring up our other window, or the mob spawner. We can hit Escape to remove the main window. And if we click Create, we should get 4 mobs. There are 4 mobs walking around. Now we can change the number in here. Change the 4 to 20. This won't give us 20 mobs total. It will add 20 to the 4 we already have. We click Create. And we added 20 more mobs. So the highest number will be Monkey Talk 24. Now, if we want to really test, we can add another 0, go to 200, but I wouldn't go too much higher. You don't want to lag yourself out. And Create. And we have 224 mobs walking around on the screen here. So it's capable of quite a lot in the engine. These mobs will stay until you kill them or until this area with this instance shuts down. Escape, bring up the main window, and options will toggle off the mob